So I don't think anyone can pinpoint exactly when dating got just so complicated. Is it when dating apps started mushrooming, or is it when social media started booming? Or is it that gender dynamics are evolving at a much faster rate than we care to acknowledge? The truth is, there's no simple answer here. But what I can say with a certain amount of certainty is that finding an authentic connection nowadays feels like a bit of a lottery.
Hi guys, I'm Janice Sequeira and this is the Healing Circle by Koto, a holistic emotional wellness platform that focuses on real stories, real solutions with mental health experts and holistic healers available at your fingertips. My guests today are three young internet personalities who've created content that strikes a chord with just about anyone who has the internet at their fingertips. Shrishti Garg, Hamza Syed, Chandni Babda. Please also join me in welcoming Kusha Bharadwaj, psychologist and oracle reader at Koto.
This episode is called Dating Dilemma.
Okay.
एंड मैंने इंट्रो में भी कहा था कि मतलब आजकल लग रहा है कि अगर आप किसी से कोई भी ऑथेंटिक कनेक्शन बनाते हो, स्पेशली इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ डेटिंग, इट फील्स लाइक आपकी लॉटरी लग गई है, बिकॉज इट्स बिकम सो डिफिकल्ट. लाइक व्हाई हैज इट बिकम सो डिफिकल्ट? व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन इट?
I think there are just so many talking stages. There is a situationship, talking ship, imagine ship. Like, there are so many ships. No wonder our dating life is fucking Titanic because it's sinking. And I think it's really sad because earlier, you know, like now that I look at my parents' relationship, they didn't have any other option. And I'm sure that was with 90% of the boomers. I'm just saying there are so many options right now that people just don't want to be committed to one person.
And the options come because we live in that internet age. Everything is like out there. Like, you know, it's like, you know, you going on a breakfast buffet every morning. आपको पता नहीं है कि आप like there's so many options now and everything is nice. अब पोहा है, वो खाना है, या पूरी भाजी खानी है, या English. Dude, there's so many options.
The minute he started saying खाना है, I was like,
ये तुमने इंसानों को तुमने लड़कों को सीधा खाने से कंपेयर कर दिया.
No, it's just an
क्या
example.
खाओगे?
How the mind works, right? When you have plenty of options at ease. पहले क्या था, like you had to like really write letters and wait for people. Even though like I haven't written letters, but there was that anticipation of waiting for someone and not knowing if they'll be there. Has happened with me because उस time पे मेरे पास phone नहीं था. मम्मी के phone से मैसेज करके घर से निकलते थे और फिर वहाँ पे मिलना decide करके. That has faded away right now. I think people get to know each other way before online, before they get to know each other in person.
and I think मतलब ये जो खाने का analogy actually मेरा एक similar analogy है. I was like, it's like shopping for avocados. क्योंकि avocado की shopping mall में कितनी मतलब difficult होती है.
Yes,
आपको नहीं पता है कि अंदर से कच्चा होगा, पक्का होगा, काला होगा, too green होगा, पता नहीं. So it's almost like shopping for avocados because you don't know what the hell you're going to get. It looks like it might be ready, but it's not really ready.
Actually, it has become hyper personal nowadays because of online dating. You are, you know, so many options and so much intimacy is available online. You can be yourself, you can share whatever you want to, which was not, you know, possible before. Because you have to be physically present with the person. Online, you are sharing everything because you are at times you're anonymous.
Yeah.
They don't even know your identity. It is very easy to get, you know, like get into inner circle of people, get intimate with them emotionally.
But I feel that's so energy draining, you know. You might be in a talking stage for someone for 3 months, that ends, and then again the next conversation you have, okay, what's your favorite color? It's so draining to start the same conversation again and build that.
Oh, that happens all the time. कितनी बार बता चुके हैं कि you know from this place went to this school.
Why is मैं जब स्कूल में थी तो एक स्लैम बुक का कॉन्सेप्ट था.
हाँ, I remember, yeah.
स्लैम बुक में लिखते थे ये कि
What's your
फेवरेट
favorite
कलर,
color?
व्हाट डू यू
Yes,
वांट टू
every
बी व्हेन
year.
यू ग्रो अप, व्हाट आर यू ऑब्सेस्ड विद, हु इज योर आइडल. हम लाइक ये स्लैम बुक टाइप के क्वेश्चन वापस कैसे आ गए मेरी जिंदगी में? बट यू डिडंट स्पीक अबाउट लाइक व्हाट डिड यू थिंक लाइक हमारी अभी इतनी लॉटरी लग रही है जैसे सिस्टम हो गया है? नहीं? नो?
No, I mean it's जैसे आपने बोला आपको वाइब पता चल जाती है, आपको एनर्जी पता चल जाती है ना. इट्स दैट फॉर मी, लाइक आई इंस्टेंटली गेट टू नो. सो फॉर मी मेरे को बस एक कॉल चाहिए होता है, वन कॉल एंड आई एम सॉर्टेड विद द
Okay,
गाय.
so I wanted to ask you guys, like, do you all get on calls very quickly? Catfishing is very common, right?
Not
Is it
just
not?
dating
How
apps,
sweet.
not just social media, even matrimonial sites are, people are getting on to, I have clients, I work on Koto, I have clients who are on matrimonial sites where people are looking to date only. And that too catfishing. They just, you know, talk to you in prospect of marriage for 2-3 months and they are AWOL after that.
Wow.
Hinge is the best application, I'm telling
Is
you.
it?
Hinge is the best.
Comment section में आ जाएगा.
हाँ, से मैं 8 बार Hinge पे बैन हुई हूँ. And अरे वो पता नहीं मास रिपोर्ट कर दिया उन लोगों ने वही कि नकली प्रोफाइल है करके। फिर फाइनली मैंने अभी डिसाइड किया कि मेरे मम्मी के फ़ोन में डाउनलोड करके रखा हिंज, और वहाँ चलाती हूँ और वेरीफाई कर लिया सब, वॉइस वेरिफिकेशन, फेस वेरिफिकेशन सब कर दिया है मैंने।
I'm very happy that I was off dating apps. Like dating apps weren't just working for me, and it was very draining. But gym worked out, so.
I was like, do you all get on video calls, voice calls? How early in the sort of talking to someone's space do you all
Instant.
Instant.
इंस्टेंट, बिकॉज आई वर्क ऑन द साइकोलॉजी ऑफ वॉइस, तो मुझे आवाज़ सुन के सब पता चल जाता है ये बंदा क्या बोलना चाह रहा है। तो
You work on psychology of voice.
आई मीन फॉर मिमिक्री वो आपको साइकोलॉजी ऑफ वॉइस समझनी पड़ती है ना, कि आपकी पिच क्या है, आपकी टोन क्या है, आप किस वॉल्यूम में कैसे बात कर रहे हो, कौन से पॉजेज ले रहे हो, तो मेरे दिमाग में वो इंसान का छप जाता है।
So you need to listen to their voice to
Yeah.
basically decide whether you like them or don't like them,
Yeah.
या फिर left swipe करना उसके बाद।
हाँ,
हमजा?
मेरे तो अभी भी मतलब it's the same how you felt about it. कि like it's very difficult. I remember one time I was speaking with someone and I randomly get a voice note. I was like, I'm not comfortable sharing my voice note right now because for me it's always been like कि आप बात करो. If you feel the person is giving you the vibe, then probably go out and meet that person in person because I feel online when you're speaking with someone, it's like the person has a time to like reflect and think about what they speak and what they tell you. Even if it is a voice note.
बहुत curated है।
हाँ तो वो जब सामने बैठ के जब बात करते हो ना, the energies you get to know,
तो यही तो चीज़ है ना, आप ऑन स्पॉट कॉल लगा दो ना,
तो फिर आप स्पॉट पे डाल रहे हो ना उसको, मतलब
तो तभी तो स्पॉट पे तो पता चलेगा ना फिर।
You know, I feel like on a call, you can't judge how your date is treating others around you. Like, for example, I was with a narcissist, okay, and this person humiliated waiters or the working class, and I could never tell because when we were together, I could never judge. But in therapy later, I realized these are all traits of a narcissist. You should really see how they treat others around,
Yeah.
themselves, because when they are well-to-do and the other person is not so well-to-do, you'll actually see someone's true behavior and nature towards others. So I feel like for me, it's very important to meet them in person to see how they are with
Of course,
others.
but वही तो, वो मीट करने के लिए भी पहले तो फोन लगाना ही पड़ेगा ना।
I तो get too shy. I'm like, नहीं मिलता सीधा.
अच्छा,
That's interesting. I mean, I feel like that's also a way to do it because now that I finally downloaded an app and it's literally been 3.5 days, I was thinking about पहले ये सोचना नहीं पड़ता था ना इसके बारे में कि मतलब how long do I need to talk to this person? Why are they talking for so long before they decide to meet? And now I've realized, I don't think this whole thing of saying instantly मिलते मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. Why will I meet you if I feel like हमारा कोई vibe ही नहीं है, कोई connection ही नहीं है? I hate the word vibe because I feel like Gen Z ने आके उस word को completely आके ruin कर दिया कि vibe. What is vibe? You can't describe vibe, right?
It's an emotion.
I'm saying that you should at least enjoy talking to that person for about a couple of days, 2-3 days at least, minimum, before you say, अच्छा अगर मिलना है then हाँ, maybe this guy is interesting.
Yeah.
and cherry on the top if you're an introvert. फिर आप I know people who will be like चलो ठीक है भाई डेट नहीं वर्कआउट कर रही हम जा रहे हैं, but I'll be somewhere I'll be like अच्छा ठीक है I'll not make her feel that bad and probably waste so many hours and then come back and think कि नहीं. We overthink so much that we have absolutely like I have personally put so many filters that every person I meet is like यार इसके में तो ये नहीं है, इसके में तो ये नहीं है.
What are your filters?
okay.
Genuinely asking.
Genuinely I'm telling you. It would be like first of all, I work really hard for myself, so I wouldn't want someone who sits at home and has their own life because I feel distance in a relationship is very important. That person needs to have their own life and go out doing something for themselves, and I should be going back, like going to do my thing, so that when we come back together, we have different things to talk about.
Okay,
Like I would want my partner to like add to me and not take away from me.
got it.
Then apart from that, I mean, I am into fitness. That person should be into fitness. I'm not saying that उसको मतलब full time gym freak हो, but at least basic sense होना चाहिए. And I mean,
Are you saying fitness or they should care about their health?
health. Yeah, I mean, it's not like कि मतलब हर दिन रात में 3 बजे पिज़्ज़ा खाना है. It can't be like that, right? Because
okay.
apart from that, then I am also someone who would. So again, I got this from ChatGPT. So yeah, so
is a third person in Hamza's next relationship.
so
Right?
it asked me like what kind of partner I was looking for and gave me 3 options. It was adventurer, family oriented, and there was one more. So I realized that I actually want a mix of all. So it should be like I want family oriented partner, but that should be like only say 20% of her total thing. Like probably later in life. It should like add up to a family thingy, but like right now what I'm looking for is someone I can travel the world with.
Oh.
Yeah. So I mean, if someone who is like very कि मुझे यहीं रहना है, I don't want to leave this place, my job's here and everything. So I mean, so these kind of like various filters are there. और जब भी like there's a potential someone, something doesn't match, and you just let that person go.
The thing over here, he said, na, that is the reason why most love marriages fail. Because initially we want something else. On that basis, we built a relationship, and after marriage, the scenario changes. Because eventually there is responsibility and accountability.
Yeah.
You know, that is why love marriages crumble.
मेरा बहुत opposite thinking है on this, like what you said about filters. I trust a lot on my animal instinct. I feel like if someone, you know, if you find someone
your
hot,
what instinct?
animal instinct. If you find someone
Is
hot,
this a Gen Z term that I'm not getting?
no,
What is
like
an animal
I mean,
instinct?
it's you just, you know, knowing that you're also a mammal deep down. You know, you have like natural needs, and just get good orgasms and get out if that's a casual hookup
I
thing.
mean, get good orgasms for sure. High five, yeah. We're on that. But animal instinct.
I feel like a base of any good relationship, fuck your filters, but I feel like the base of any good relationship is attraction. As long as you're attracted to your partner, and I mean like physically attracted, you can sort any fight, like you can sort anything, because your bodies just need to be attracted to each other. Like that's what I feel. And I feel like sexual compatibility or even physical compatibility, so my mom will be watching this, I'm sorry, but it is so important to have this in a relationship.
I mean, I think sexual compatibility is very important as well, but I don't know if that can be the only thing. यार कभी ना कभी तो honeymoon phase खत्म होगा, खत्म होगा ही होगा. And if you think that छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात, not like I'm an expert, but I feel like if the only thing you're looking for is sexual compatibility, at some point that is going to crash.
Sexual compatibility only in like a short-term hookup thing, because that's when you know you don't want to be committed with this person. But if you're going for long-term, but I feel like one of the fundamentals need to be physical attraction towards that person, because I mean, personally, I was with someone, I didn't even like him. I didn't even like seeing his face. I was embarrassed of holding his hand in public, and I don't know why I was doing it to him, to myself. But that relationship did not last. It lasted for like 6 months, and I blocked that person from everywhere. But I feel like right now, with the person I am in, I cannot live without him. This is the first time I'm like balls deep in love, and I never thought I would turn up here. But yeah, touch wood.
That's so cute, yeah.
मैं नजर सुरक्षा पहन कर आई हूँ, मैं अपने आप को नजर ना लगा दूँ.
Chandni, what are your filters?
यार मेरे को अभी मैं तो पिछले 1 साल से 2 साल से मुझे डॉक्टर्स बड़े पसंद आ रहे हैं, तो आई एम गोइंग ऑन लॉट ऑफ डेट्स विद डॉक्टर्स. मेरा पता नहीं क्या है, कुछ तो है ऐसे, ये बस ये फिल्टर है मेरा कि डॉक्टर होना चाहिए.
कोई फिक्स करने के लिए चाहिए.
हाँ पता नहीं
Metaphorically.
क्या
Metaphorically
है.
fix कर रही.
यार आई फील वेरी सेफ विद देम.
With doctors?
Yeah.
What is the conversation like with doctors on dates?
It's very interesting. I love you from my endocardium, baby.
Is that one of your filters, medical field?
I think so. I only swipe on doctors on Hinge. I do. No, but filters वैसे देखा जाए तो मेरा इतना कोई filter नहीं है. I want to date to get married is my filter. I'm like ऐसे time pass dating. मैंने कहा अरे वो तो मेरे से नहीं होती, मुझे नहीं पता. Actually I've never dated anybody only. क्योंकि मैंने कहा नहीं, पहले आप बोलोगे आपको मतलब कहीं लेके जाना है इस रिश्ते को, तो हम फिर डेट करेंगे, वरना क्या ही सेंस बना.
You've never been in a long-term relationship?
Never been in a relationship.
I also feel date to get married is a very flawed filter.
Why?
I lived with it for the longest time, and I've just realized it has just kept me from dating people. Because
Probably,
you know,
it's definitely kept you from having experiences.
yeah, definitely. I mean, you never know किसके साथ क्या strike कर जाए ना.
Yeah, I mean, but also like, you know, when you meet a guy and then you click things and then suddenly the person is like, oh, I can't commit. एक वो mindset तो होता है ना कि मुझे कहीं ना कहीं जाके थमना है. मुझे वो mindset चाहिए कि मुझे यहाँ थमना है. मुझे वो नहीं पसंद. मतलब for example अगर जैसे मैं talking phase में भी हूँ, तो मैं ऐसे नहीं कि मतलब मुझे आई एम वेरी जेलस काइंड ऑफ पर्सन. अगर वो 4 और लड़कियों के साथ में टॉकिंग फेज में लगा है तो मेरे को नहीं पसंद आएगा, मेरे को नहीं
She is a
चलेगा.
complete anxious personality. That is why she calls in an instant. She wants to know the person here and now.
I'm going to tell you something about Kusha. She's a psychologist, yes, but she's also an oracle reader and a numerologist.
Yes.
What's an oracle reader?
Even I had to Google this concept in the morning, but I think Kusha, it's better you explain it.
I'm very anxious.
Tarot and oracle are different things. Oracles are used for different situations.
Okay.
Yeah, and tarot is a science which has been going on, you know, since ages, and it is each and every card holds a particular meaning. But oracle is according to your situation then and there. In
My father is an
comparison to
astrologer.
astrology. Yeah.
So every time a new guy is going to come in my life, he'll tell me like, कोई तो
No,
आया था
listen, I totally understand because one of my closest friends is also, she studied astrology for the last couple of years. So I was one of her guinea pigs. So it's a science, I'm sure that there is, and I know that it's a very, very popular form. Like, please don't misunderstand, I'm not shitting on it. I know holistic healing has helped a lot of people. It's just that personally, I've never been able to submit. Do you guys?
I just feel what it does to you is it gives you something to blame. If anything is not going right
It's like
or
a
going a
scapegoat.
certain way, yeah. I mean, I feel personally, to me, it will stop me from believing in myself. Like I'm told कि भाई इस महीने आपके साथ ये नहीं हो सकता है. Probably मेरे साथ हो सकता था, but because it's been said over here, it's blocked. So which is why I don't
You
want to
can
give it that
work
power.
it, you know, it is you, your mind. You can change it 100%. You cannot change other people. You
Yeah.
can change yourself 100%. If you know that, look, if I use numbers with you and I tell you that this is your personality, these are your flaws, these are your strengths, this is something you should work upon. Why do you think it is blocking you? It is leveraging you. That now you know that I lack it. You know, there is a client of mine, she is like कि मैं बहुत aggressive हूँ, मैम मैं बहुत aggressive हूँ. मैं उसको मतलब अच्छे खासे, I know her, I have a great rapport with her, she is a repeat client. मैं बहुत aggressive हूँ. When are you aggressive? She is like जब मेरे boyfriend से बात होती है. The only time she is having arguments with her boyfriend, she is aggressive, and he has, you know, brainwashed her. तुम बहुत लड़ती हो, you're too aggressive, you know, tame yourself down, and she has believed that. Now she thinks that this is her personality. And she she talks to everybody like I am aggressive, and she is not.
तो Gen Z terms में हम उसे कहते हैं
Gaslighting.
gaslighting,
You know,
which is a
ये मेरे साथ में
huge.
हुआ था ये मेरे को किसी एक हिंज डेट ने कहा था
That you gaslight?
नहीं नहीं
हाँ तो?
उसने मुझे कर दिया था कि
अच्छा.
यू शाउट अ लॉट मैंने कहा शाउट मैंने कहा नॉर्मल टोन ही मेरी ऐसे बात करने की मेरा पिची हाई शाउट अ लॉट नो चांदनी डोंट लाफ सो लाउडली डोंट बी सो लाउड I'm like, don't be so loud.
No, I think it depends on what stage of life also you're in, right? I mean, my point is that आप अपने आप को कितने अच्छे तरह से जानते हो. How much time have you spent with yourself?
True.
And I feel like only when you spend time with yourself, like one of the big learnings I've had now that, I mean, I like to say I'm on my second chapter of getting back into dating and everything, is the pressure of love and feeling loved cannot come from the other person. If I can't love myself first, how can I expect
Yes.
anyone else
So
to love
true,
me?
so true.
Absolutely true.
नहीं हो पाता यार
हो पाता है.
Just I was very delusional, like how everyone was talking about gaslighting. I realized that gaslighting has never happened with me in relationships, because in relationships I was always very secure. मुझे पता था I am better than this guy. It's a privilege for him that he's dating me. But in friendships I always felt like मेरे को लोग gaslight करके चले जाते थे, manipulate करके चले जाते थे. So maybe a friend doing that or a friend complimenting me would mean so much to me. Like, oh my god, yes. But I never give so much attention to a guy. Maybe I'm the black cat in my relationship also right now, because
What is the black cat in
So black cat.
I love it. Shrishti's here to spew
Dropping
all these Gen Z
Gen Z
terms
terms.
left, right, and center. What is
So, you know,
animal instinct?
Black cat, golden retriever. So basically, it's this internet popular term, golden retriever boyfriend. This boyfriend who's very loyal, he's very happy, joyful, and he makes you smile, makes you laugh. And the black cat is very like diva, like arrogant, yeah, whatever. So, you know, you have the ball in your court in a relationship.
But is that who you are?
In this relationship, yes.
Black cat.
Yeah, I feel like I have the ball in my court, and I feel like I'm loved more, I'm cherished more, and I feel like women are truly happy when they are the ones being loved more in a relationship, when you don't have to chase a boy. I feel like when a man has to chase you, which apparently becomes a game for them, that is when you feel much happier and secure in a relationship, at least like for me.
I to love
Okay, you're an expert, so I really want to ask this question to you, because I've always thought, like, this is my analogy जो भी बोलते उसको. So like she said, like man is always chasing. So what I felt about men is that you know, from a very young age, like they're sent to like play sports, right? And women are like kept at home, वो घर घर खेल रहे हैं. But like as a man growing up, for me it's always been like, you know, you have to win. Like, you know, winning in life is very important, because of course that there's this thing of being a provider and stuff. And even if like you'll see like now women's sports are coming up, but like the sports for men has always been there, and winning that trophy and that competition and that aggression. But like what after you've won the trophy? You go back to winning it again. So that all the high to like win that trophy stays till the time you win it.
Yes.
So I just feel that, you know, that chasing a woman, trying to win her over, putting your best foot forward, when you do not have her is there till the time you do not have her. And the moment you get this person, it fades away. Because that excitement, that thrill.
जेंडर बायस्ड क्यों है? वो तो दोनों साइड है ना.
I think it happens with women also.
I
Yeah.
don't think it's a man problem only.
Yeah. ये तो.
Yeah.
I
It
mean,
is much
मतलब,
more
I'll tell
openly
you-
talked about men. It is not talked about women.
But do women also chase men?
अरे वो आए.
चांदी शुरू कर दो. चांदी
भाई
का bro
साहब इतनी बड़ी चेजर हो जाते. बट वैसे बट ये मेरे को बाद में थेरेपी में समझी ये चीज़ कि यू वांट लव बट व्हेन somebody is giving you love you are not ready to accept.
Tell me something about your family.
My father is a criminal lawyer, an astrologer. My mother was a Hindi teacher. Now she's not teaching anymore. She's MA BEd in Hindi literature. My brother has his own company. So yeah.
Is he elder or younger to you?
Elder brother.
Elder brother. Just go back into your child. Something. You know, maybe you were 3 or 4 or 5. Something you can remember. Impactful.
तो basically किसी ने so we came from I come from a family which was lower middle class family. ठीक है, and that's why me and my brother we started working early when we were 16. तो I think somebody told me कि oh you don't have you've not seen clothes, you've not seen, you know, you don't have money to buy clothes,
The
or you've not
luxury.
seen, yeah, anything in basic also. So वो मेरे को बात, और मैं तब I think I was in 5th standard, hardly 4th or 5th standard. या फिर I was bullied a lot in school, so I was thinking more memories were of that. See, I only work मतलब वो the best revenge is massive success, and then I'm like हाँ चलो ठीक.
Now can you understand why she has anxious personality?
No, explain it to me.
I think what Kusha is trying to touch upon, I could be wrong, please correct me. See, all of our Instagram reels nowadays, वो आता रहता है ना हमारे पे, anxious attachment style, avoidant
I'm
attachment
very
style.
anxious attachment.
So that's what she's coming upon.
That is the
that your
So
background and your
so I have a
environment.
major fear of abandonment. Like if anybody leaves me and goes away, I can't take it.
So I want to tell you, as someone who's actually also been diagnosed with someone who had a fear of abandonment, that you can work on it and you can turn it around. It depends. I mean, in my case, the trauma was that I lost my dad at 17.
Yes.
So there was a trauma about like, oh my God, whoever I love will leave me and go.
Yeah.
And it's a very subtle thing. You don't even realize
you
it
don't
till
realize.
much later. You can turn it around, bro.
Yeah.
The reason you want to talk to people quite quickly, अभी बात कर लूँ, अभी कुछ हो जाए, because there were no friends you were growing up. No huge reason, you know, no huge reason. These are the basic things. जब आप किसी से बात करते हो and you get to know about it, that is the need. You have to fill that void.
I wanted to ask Shrishti, and I'm not taking away from you, because she said she's a black cat in this relationship. Why do you have to be any character in any relationship? Like, why aren't you just Shrishti Garg in the relationship?
No, when I say black cat, it's a relationship trait. You know, like
Like you mean
are,
in every relationship, one person, or in
Yeah.
different relationship, one person's got the power imbalances
exactly.
in is
One
different?
person is more. I mean, it's
Does your
very
boyfriend
natural.
know you're the cat?
He's very much okay with it, and he loves it that I'm the one who's getting more like spoiled. And I feel like that dynamic automatically sets up in like earlier we didn't have a term for it. Now we know. Earlier we would say that this person is loved more. This person has the ball in their court. Like that was the dynamic earlier. But I feel like now there's a Gen Z term for it, which is black cat and golden retriever. And I feel like, I mean, this is what I have seen in my family, in my friend circles. Every time a woman is feeling like, you know, the ball is in her court or she's the black cat, that woman is clearly more loved in that relationship, and she takes the control of how that relationship goes. And I feel like really happy, at least in this one, because I have chased guys around. That was the lowest point of my life, and I questioned myself. I let someone yell at me, tell me, I mean, they were gaslighting me back then, and I feel like, no, you know what, I don't deserve this.
How did you break that pattern?
Therapy. My therapist told me, listen, it's not my job to tell you this, like, you know, I'm going against my profession, because the therapist is not supposed to directly tell you something. And she's like, you have to leave this person. And, you know, I can get in trouble for saying that, but you have to, because it was borderline abusive. Like, it was very bad. So, glad I'm out of it, but lots of therapy.
There is an entire space where we talk about how social media has created very unrealistic expectations और हमें क्या चाहिए लड़कों से, क्या चाहिए लड़कियों से, right? What do you see? What do you guys see as your role when it comes to creating content and, you know, dispelling those norms?
I feel like I have an IP, it's called Lessons for Boyfriends, and I get a lot of hate from men mostly on that IP because they don't like to be told what women really want out of a man. And I mean, it was so bad, like I even got a death threat out of it. So it was like really, really bad, because I mean the hate was toxic, but I feel like what I want to do with that IP or with that series is that I want women to really know that they deserve the world in a relationship, and no man should have that kind of power over them that they make them feel like they don't. And you know, like how you mentioned that you were the one chasing and you were crying, and like there are just
was
some
begging.
basic don't go there is like some basic boundaries, basic guidelines which I feel like a lot of people are maybe genuinely unaware about.
What are your basic guidelines? Like, give me 3.
I feel like it's very, I mean, I don't even have to say it loud, loyalty, and I hate that it has become a guideline. It should just come automatically.
Yeah, that should be basic.
Yeah, loyalty, respecting my boundaries, and being funny for sure.
Yeah, being funny is not a basic. सब हर कोई funny नहीं होता है यार.
No, but I mean, that person should make me laugh at the end of the day.
That's one of your requirements.
Yes.
But you're about the things that you were talking about, like basics that boyfriend should know. उसमें funny नहीं हो सकता है.
So,
वो
okay,
unrealistic है.
Definitely his loyalty. He should respect my career, my boundaries. And I also feel like communication. Communication is very important for me because I can jump to conclusions very easily, and I can be like, "अच्छा तूने उसकी photo like करी? Do you like her?" Like I can be this person, and then I feel like for me it's very important to constantly communicate with my partner about something, and that's why we can resolve issues so easily.
Kusha, after observing Shrishti, what do you think? Like, what is her?
Oh my God, I'm not ready for this.
No, Srishti is a little bit self-obsessed.
Yes,
I think it's a good thing.
And that is a good thing. That is what, Chandni, why did I talk to you about these things? Self-love. She loves herself. When you love yourself, you will manifest everything positive. You know, the girls I work with, boyfriend gaya, block kiya, sab kiya, I tell them, 15 din na focus on yourself. Literally, I'm telling you, I can give you live proofs of those girls, and in 16 days, 20 days, 30 days, that guy comes back, and most often that girl is like, now I've moved on.
हाँ वो तो
Chill
है ही,
मारो.
वो तो आता ही है
Like,
वापस.
you know,
तब I tell हाँ.
no, when they are not coming, the girl who is crying for the boy, वो आया ही नहीं. It has been 1 year. This is a very practical thing I'm telling you. Which you can, you know, manifest.
So I'll tell you something. For 2021 की बात है. This one guy, मैंने उसको ऐसे 4 पेज का लेटर लिख के एंड में बोला that I feel for you more than a friend.
Sweet.
और उसने मुझे कहा था कि you're not hot enough for me to date.
Asshole.
So whatever, you know, like this is not perfect and that is not this and that, whatever.
Fuck him. Then move on.
तो हाँ मतलब मुझे बुरा लगा, then took me some time to move on, but then I took it very personally. It's like, how can someone say I'm not hot? You know, I lost weight, I joined pole dancing, had abs, and I was so sexy and so hot, and came back. He came back and he was like, and I was like, you're not hot enough for me.
You did the same thing, na? You worked on yourself. You loved yourself, and you came back.
So, well, in your own life, then I think you have that example of when you worked on yourself, it's
Yes.
always benefited you more in the dating space also.
Yes.
Because then you realize what your worth is, right? I think it all comes back to only knowing.
But I feel as women, don't you think we give a lot of empathy and benefit of doubt to
We have
सामने वाला
martyr
person?
syndrome. That's what we have learned, na? Mummy,
हाँ,
she's working for the household. That's what we
Yeah.
have conditioned to. We have martyr
Yeah.
syndrome.
Hamza, do you think women have martyr syndrome?
What's martyr syndrome? If you can explain
Being
it for me?
giving, dying for other people, you know,
Yeah.
unconditionally.
That's true. I mean, because they've seen their mothers do it, and they've seen the other mothers do
Have
it. Yeah.
that. You know, making this relationships work, extremely toxic relationship work. I'll change for you. I'll change 100% for you.
Why do we see that the divorce rate in our country is so less?
Exactly.
It's because of this reason.
Exactly.
Like, because this is my family.
Exactly.
उनके लिए मुझे सहना ही पड़ेगा.
And on that note,
Yeah.
even men are like that. Many men are, we don't, you know, we typecast like women are being suffering and men are taking advantage of women. ऐसा नहीं है. There are men also who are suffering.
Of course.
No, of course, I don't
Yes.
disagree with that at all. It's not like only the women are right all the time.
So when a guy is not being expressive, I know like sometimes I understand that where he is coming from. You know, so giving him that time and space.
Okay, from a man's perspective, I want to know this. Okay, like I think one of the main things that women talk about is the lack of communication. कि communicate क्यों नहीं कर पाते हो कि क्या लग रहा है, कैसा feel हो रहा है. आगे बढ़ना है नहीं बढ़ना है, कमिट करना है नहीं करना है. From your perspective and from, because you also make a lot of this content, right? What has been your understanding of why do you think communication is sometimes so poor when it comes to men?
Again, it goes back to your childhood. As a man, you're not really, like, I'll tell you, see, like, a woman, she's always been stopped from her inside world, you know? Like, sorry, from her outside world. Like, she has boundaries and barriers to go to the outside world and experience the world. But for a man, it's always on the inside because, you know, I can talk about myself. With my father, I can never, I still can't. I know he's very happy with what I'm doing in my life, but he will never tell it to my face. And this is a very recent incident. I mean, it just reminds me of that. I was back home in November. It was around my birthday. And
Where is home?
Sorry?
Where is home?
Delhi.
Delhi,
I mean,
okay.
home is Patna, but like Delhi is where they live right now.
Okay.
And it's almost 1:30 in the night. I've just helped my dad finish packing because he's flying in the morning to Jammu. And he's like, you know, chai pila do. So I go in the kitchen, I am making tea. And then I suddenly hear him on a call. He calls up my cousin brother. He lives in the same building, a couple of floors above. And he goes like, कि एक मिनट नीचे आना, मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. Then when he comes down, then he's talking to him and I'm still making tea. And I know he's said that, you know, कि नीचे आना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, but I do not have the courage to go and, you know, tell him. Not the courage, but like, it was just not me. Like, 30 years of me has not done that. So how can I do it now?
Yeah.
And he's like, you know, कि मुझे ऐसे chest में pain हो रहा है. So then we take him to the hospital. The entire night we're in the hospital. And when he's there, I'm in the hospital and I'm thinking कि मुझे भी क्यों नहीं बोला, मतलब मैं तो बेटा हूँ ना. मेरे कजन भाई को आपको ऊपर से बुला के बोलना पड़ रहा है. आई एम लाइक राइट बिसाइड यू इन द किचन. तो यही है, लाइक अगर एक एज अ सन मैं अपने बाप से कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, तो अपनी एग्जैक्ट फीलिंग्स अपने पार्टनर के सामने रखना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. आई डोंट नो, आई मीन आई कांट टॉक फॉर एवरीवन, बट लाइक दैट हैज ऑलवेज बीन विथ मी. लाइक इवन विथ माई मम, it could be a lot of things, like, you know, coming from a small town and moving to Mumbai. I see so many things over here which my parents will never understand, but I can never go back and tell them and share these things. Like, I really want to talk to my parents about how my day went, but शायद वो गुस्सा हो जाए, शायद वो समझे ही नहीं, उनको लगे कि मैं बिगड़ रहा हूँ या मैं कुछ गलत कर रहा हूँ.
बॉम्बे जाके मतलब जिंदगी बिगाड़ दी टाइप्स.
बट मुझे तो मन है किसी से शेयर करने का ना. तो like for me, तो that's the blockage and it has always been there.
So how do you think, like, I mean, अब जब आप मतलब now you want to get in a relationship, you want to date,
Absolutely, yes.
how do you intend to break that generational trauma then, or that generational gap where जो आपको जो सिखाया गया है वो आप अपने मतलब जो आपके करीब है आपके उनके साथ नहीं करोगे?
So the thing with me is that because see,
बहुत deep हो गया ना. Chinese give me full looks.
Yeah, I mean, are you okay?
I'm completely fine. No, but the thing is, I'll tell you. See, when you see a very vague example, but अगर अपने घर में कोई देखता है, मेरे घर में नहीं हुआ है, कि because कि for example एक husband अपनी wife को मारता है और उसका बच्चा वो देख रहा है, तो या तो वो बच्चा बड़ा होके अपनी wife को मारेगा या वो कभी touch भी नहीं करेगा. That is what happens, right? So for me in this case, what happens is whenever I've had a partner, I have been like an open book from day one. I've told her everything, like the bad parts, the good parts about my life, so that कल को कहीं और से पता चल के कुछ भी ऐसे वो problem ना create हो बीच में. And that is like you know, major thing for me, that in a relationship you have to be absolutely honest, as white as anything could be. So for me it has worked the other way around, because
So because you didn't have that communication style
और
with
मैं
your,
अभी तक ब्रेक नहीं कर पाया हूँ, and now I have given up on like this thing कि मैं वो चीज़ मैं इतना compatible हो पाऊँगा अपने parents के साथ कभी भी.
don't give up.
You are thinking you are supposed to break the pattern. The pattern is for you. It is not for you actually. It is for your father. He was the child who saw that his father was not communicative at home. He was respecting other people more. He kept that kind of relations in his family. He was not that, you know, affectionate or maybe communicative. Like एक barrier हमेशा रहा. That is why that kind of relationship was formed. It is not you who has made the pattern, but of course you can break that. He is living in that pattern, not you.
But it's very difficult, like, you know, it's like,
course it is
you know,
difficult.
it's like
Of
there's like a
course.
wall in front of you.
In fact, and he's waiting. The day you will do it now, like with her happened, just a commonality, and the barrier broke. I know it is very it's easier
it's like
to say.
it's not like I've not tried.
Yes,
it's like
true,
you know, I mean, I cannot go all out. I mean, I can, you know, I can like if I can if I want to speak to Shrishti over here, I'll be like, you know, ki Shrishti, but she's like every time, and she'll speak to me and she'll go back.
Yes.
But then वो वही होता रहता है, like you tap and then like okay,
Honey,
maybe नहीं चाहिए.
change उन्हें ये pattern उनका है. He has to change.
I think sometimes you have to also wait for that person.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, what helps for me is I force my relationship with my parents. Like my dad is very closed off. He's like,
I love your
Parents are on
videos.
IG,
but
I can
they're only cool on Instagram. They're not cool in real life.
My mother is liking every IG post. She's leaving a comment on everything. My daughter best. I'm like, oh God, cute. But it's cute now. I hated it before. Now I love it.
No, but I have to tell my dad, नहीं मुझे love you बोलो. क्यों नहीं बोला आपने love you? So every time, my dad lives in Pune, I live here, and all my family members are away from each other right now. So every time we are ending a call, I'm like, okay, love you, and he doesn't like, हाँ चल bye. I say, love you बोलो, love you, and then he's like, हाँ love you. I mean, I have to act like a child, and I think that's what I also tell my friends. You know, your parents are so old right now.
Yes.
They are so strict in their ways कि जो हमने सोचा है वो सही है. So you have to force it out like a child. So I mean, I can be totally wrong here, पर मैं तो चेप हो जाती हूँ. मैं तो बोलती हूँ आप बोलो मुझे
You
love
have
you.
to do the groundwork. You have to make him feel that
But
you are
in this case,
available
I've
for him.
changed
That much you can do.
One thing I like to point out is over here it's like a daughter-father relation.
Yes.
So I with my mother I can do that,
Yes.
but like when two men come
Very
together,
true.
no,
Very
Yeah.
true.
it's very difficult to like
Very
break
true.
it. Yeah.
That is, very true in our society.
होगा यार हमजा. और तो उस दिन ना मुझे फोन करना, ठीक है? कि हुआ यार. But coming back to dating.
Yes,
Have
yeah,
you-
What has this
This
podcast
episode
become?
is-
Yeah.
this episode is emotional therapy.
No, actually the thing is that dating, the highlight of dating
It all
is your
starts from there.
personality.
Okay, so you were talking about your boyfriend series. Given that you guys also create a lot of content around dating, आपको क्या लगता है कि आप लोगों ने थोड़े unrealistic standards create कर दिए dating के लिए?
मेरे साथ this
Please,
is
green
what is-
flag guy has definitely created
That's
unrealistic
what I'm
standards.
saying. Like this is most of my comments that you know unrealistic and bullshit unrealistic because मैं कम से कम घोड़े पे तो बैठ के नहीं आ रहा हूँ तुमको डेट पे ले जाने के लिए मैं गाड़ी का दरवाजा ही खोल रहा हूँ that is bare minimum.
I think it's bare minimum.
Yeah,
And
and
it is inspirational, I would say.
yeah, and
Inspirational.
standards गिरे हैं ना नीचे.
हमारे standards इतने गिर चुके कि मतलब someone brings you a flower on a date, it's like, he brought me flowers. क्यों यार? Why is that the standard?
I feel like a lot of it comes because we ourselves can't take so much love. Because when someone, I mean, earlier when someone would get me something, open a door for me, I'd be like, why are you doing that? I can do like I was in my masculine energy. Again, I'm dropping Gen Z
Can I
words.
say something? Could be very controversial, but see, I respect that you know women want to do their own thing, right? But कभी-कभी लाइफ में ना कोई प्यार करता है आपसे इसलिए भी चीजें करता है. So
Yeah.
I know you are a strong, independent woman. बट ठीक है that does not mean कि मैं आपके लिए दरवाजा नहीं खोल सकता हूँ या मैं आपके बिहाफ पे कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं कर सकता हूँ किसी से. I'm just trying to like you know for you to have fun and you know be in your own space. I'm ठीक है you might feel that I'm taking away that moment from
But why
you.
is chivalry gender biased is my question. Why can't a
It's
girl
not,
open
it's
to?
not.
I
I
have
don't
done
think it
it
should
for many
be.
dates.
Not at all.
See, my point is that why can't two chivalrous people also exist in a relationship? Why
Yeah.
can't he open the door and why can't you also get flowers? Why can't both happen on the same
Exactly
day?
my point.
Like who made these rules कि मतलब सिर्फ लड़के दरवाजा खोलेंगे और सिर्फ you know लड़कियां सिर्फ ये करेंगी मतलब accept करेंगी flowers देंगी नहीं? Why? Who made the rules?
Whatever makes you comfortable and your partner, felt loved is acceptable.
I just feel like so this comes back to my earlier point, right? Are we overthinking things?
I feel we definitely are overthinking a lot
Over
because
comparison,
yeah.
over information available, over competition also,
Choices इतनी
her
सारी है ना,
boyfriend did
5
that to
dating apps है
her.
ना.
Like he proposed her in that ways. Those things and social media raising the standards in unethical ways and unrealistic ways.
Again the breakfast buffet example. साउथ इंडियन भी है वो भी है ऑप्शंस हैं तो आप ओवर थिंक करोगे ये खाऊं वो खाऊं ये खाऊं बट you know when you're sure that यही है मेरे पास you just like go for it because you know if you'll not go for it you'll lose out on it, right?
So when you guys are dating, do you all date one at a time or do you date multiple?
Who does
One at a
that?
time.
Huh?
One monogamy.
Like I'm just asking, like a lot of people date multiple at a time and then decide okay they want to stop things with the other person.
I think that for me, that's a no zone rule. Because I feel like then you're cheating on me. I mean, my time is getting wasted here. Like, I deserve that attention that you are giving to, let's say, 4 other people. Because I'm giving that to you, so I deserve the same in return. And
This is even when you're on the dating app phase?
yes, yeah, but when things get serious.
So, but no, when do things get serious? Like, when do you expect the other person to stop talking to other people?
जैसे ही मैंने राइट स्वाइप किया
Oh,
I can never expect that from the other person.
मैं जैसे ही राइट स्वाइप किया तुम बंद कर दो दूसरों से बात करना
वो कुछ ज्यादा हो गया ना? मतलब मैं सिर्फ 3.5 दिन पुरानी हूँ उस पर, but वो कुछ ज्यादा हो गया ना?
क्यों नहीं यार
I think there is a conversation that happens. And from that conversation, you figure that.
Like
you know,
when
putting
there
your
is,
foot
even
down.
I agree. I
Yeah.
feel like when you feel like now I've had a really intense conversation and possibly after meeting, I can't do it without meeting the
Yeah,
person.
no, absolutely not. No.
That's when you know.
Like, I think you need to sit down and have this conversation that, you know, this is brewing.
हाँ I feel for you I
and
like you what to do
Let's just, like, you know, explore what's further for us and not.
But you know, there are a lot of shitty people who, even after this conversation, will go and see other people.
हाँ तो फिर वो आप कैसे पकड़ोगे वो तो डेटिंग
वो
में भी
आपका-
कर रहे होंगे
Exactly.
वो आपका content बन जाता है.
वो
आपके लिए तो वो content बन
and this
जाता
guy was apparently a Taylor Swift fan. He was promoting how he's a green flag and all of that. And I, as a girl, I love Taylor Swift. I was like, अच्छा Taylor Swift सुनता होगा, अच्छा होगा. But then I'm seeing him with a different girl in some cafe, then in Tory. Like every day he was with a different girl. So I was like,
He's a
oops.
Taylor
Actor
Swift
था
fan
क्या?
ना, तो heartbreak चाहिए.
Alright, then how do you then go back and actually build love and trust in a partner?
लव तो यार हो ही जाता है वो तो मेरे को कोई थोड़ा like we talk and then it's almost been a year now so I think love is there for sure but trust we've had because I have a lot of trust issues. I am very possessive like you said and I cannot tolerate a female best friend also in the picture. So for me trust has always been fights, communication, fights. Like it's still going on and I feel like it's a never ending process. You have to communicate and while it's the most vaguest, broadest term out there but it just never stops and that's the only thing that can resolve a fight.
Okay. Hamza, how
For
do
me,
you
I
think?
feel we need to hold our horses. We are, like, you know, running too fast towards everything. And because we are, like, you know, every day feed it so much, like, you know, short content, ये सारी चीज़ें, everything's become very fast paced. Like, you know, खाना आपको आधे घंटे में चाहिए order करके, delivery आपको 2 दिन में चाहिए. तो ये relationship है, it will take time, okay? It has always been that. Trust एक दिन में नहीं बनता है. आप किसी को नहीं जान सकते हो पूरी तरीके से एक certain amount of time में. हो सकता है किसी का जानने में आपको 1 साल लगे, हो सकता है किसी को जानने में 6 महीने लगे. It depends from person to person. So you really need to put yourself in one place, like ground yourself, be with that one person, explore completely, see if that works for you, know what you want clearly. Just don't randomly go into relationships because you are desperate for it or because you're feeling not loved tonight. You just say yes to someone. No.
ये वो जाकिर खान का रील हो गया.
कौन सा?
Intelligent girls का dating pattern. कि पहले Elon Musk भी आके
Yes.
लाइन मार के चला गया और तुमने भाव नहीं दिया.
अच्छा हाँ वो जो
और
रात
हाँ,
वाला yes yes yes.
और अब तुमको लग रहा है कि सब ये रेस में तो आगे निकल गए
एक
मैं
दिन
तो
रात
पीछे
में
छूट
हाँ
गई.
true.
But you know, I have a gut feeling. Like I know you have a lot of filters in your head, but I feel like one day you're randomly going to meet someone who will not be in one of your filters. Like she'll be completely opposite of what you want.
See, this even I have discovered about myself that, you know, 100% filter तो कोई नहीं match करने वाला है. Because relationships are built on compromises and the compromises that you can make. Certain she will make for me, certain I'll make for her. But, and that's where love is born.
I have another thought to this also. I feel like also the other way to build trust is that if you know that someone's insecure about something, like especially if it's about cheating because they've been cheated on before, or if it's about you know, abandonment because they have that, it's also about working on their issues together. Like you can't be like ये तुम्हारा issue ये तुम deal करके आओ, तुम therapy जाओ इसके लिए, तुमको साथ काम करना पड़ेगा अगर वो रिश्ता निभाना है तो.
Well said, well said.
Yeah.
Like it's always the two of you against the problem and not the two of you against each other.
Yeah.
You need to work as a team.
But I have a question. When do you realize that the person can also be the problem here? Like when do you decide ki, okay, while I have my own issues and we can work on this, but sometimes the person is also a really big problem. The person cannot be receptive of your feelings or something. But when do you realize that in a relationship?
When you are not feeling that the relationship is there, you know, when you not see the reciprocation to work together, when the other person is not willing, you know, you tell them that okay, I'm not comfortable with this thing, let's just work on it. You know, when you know, vocalize your thoughts. Even after that, if you do not see any efforts from that person, that means that person is not, you know, trying to make efforts. Then you know.
I mean, I was very delusional. मुझे तो लगा था नहीं ये तो सबसे अच्छा लड़का है, मैं तो इसी के साथ रहूंगी. But that's when the whole therapy conversation came.
Whenever you are in a dilemma, आपको कोई चीज़ confused करिए, confused about the boy or the situation, whatever it is, if it's a boy also, you know, you should think if it is my younger sister or brother or my best friend, what would you suggest them?
You know, I was
In
watching
similar scenario.
Alan the Bot, he's an author. मैं उसका एक love के ऊपर देख रहा था पूरा. It's like a lecture that he had given. He said that you need to treat your partner as like imagine that partner to be like a 3 or a 5-year-old kid. अभी आप उसको कैसे समझाओगे? क्योंकि जब बड़ा है तो आपने पहले ही बोल देना कि he can understand the word and everything. And once you do that, it just makes so much sense.
I love it.
Similarly, like your brother or your sister, because you will not give up on them, right?
Yeah.
For smallest of inconveniences.
No, and also this whole brother and sister thing logic. Any family member, anyone you care and love deeply, will you allow them to be in that relationship, or will you at least not? Like, see, sometimes I feel like हम किसी को रोक नहीं सकते, जो करना है वो करेंगे. अगर आपको जाके मतलब चलती फिरती रेड फ्लैग से को डेट करना है, आप करोगे. वो हम आपको नहीं रोक सकते. But at least I feel like as someone who loves you and cares for you, I have to tell you. नहीं तो मुझे बहुत guilt feel होगा कि मतलब मैंने बोला तक नहीं. And what kind of a friend am I? I have a bunch of terms which I think Shrishti is going to love, which I want your hot takes on. Number one, your take on love bombing.
Like you said, the hot takes on love bombing. I, for the longest time, was very delusional. I was like, I तो deserve it. मतलब flowers मेरे लिए लेकर आ रहा है, okay, good for him only. And then when this person kind of withdrew this, I was like, oh, so this wasn't entirely for me because who I am. This was because they wanted to be with me. So it's the worst thing that can happen to you. But I feel like in a constant, loving, secure relationship, this will be a pattern. This will keep on happening.
I think being a millennial, we always have experienced it before. We just like put it into terms right now.
पर यार इसमें तो फिर दिक्कत हो जाएगी ना कि कोई genuinely आपको प्यार दिखा रहा है मेरे जैसा इंसान.
नहीं, but बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी I think will be a big red flag for me. Like if you're going over the top like this ever again, I'll be like, no boss, there's a problem here.
Even if they are not doing love bombing, ये balanced relationship नहीं है. It is going to fall out. It is going to be either worse for them. If this relationship works out, it would be worse for them because they have set high standards.
And this is something I have also learned, that you know, never do things that you will not do 10 years later for that person.
Exactly.
100.
There will be days you will feel like कि नहीं यार बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ, आज तो एक बार ड्राइव पे चला ही जाता हूँ, इधर से ड्राइव करके कहीं दूर. But आप नहीं करोगे ना बाद में वो आप आज के लिए कर रहे हो. So don't give that person that hope and expectation.
Unrealistic.
I have a different take on that. I feel like that charm of that honeymoon phase should still stay on in a relationship because it should still be in the marriage because ultimately you need that romance. You need that, you know, थोड़ा तो spark होना चाहिए दोनों के
वो
बीच में.
spark है, but point है ना कि हर दिन आप वो spark दोगे ना,
Yeah.
तो वो बहुत जल्दी fade out हो जाएगा. और फिर वो एक्सपेक्टेशन से जाएगी सामने वाले के लिए. एंड उसके बाद लाइक यू नो व्हेन यू विल नॉट गिव इट लाइक दिस पर्सन हैज चेंज्ड बट यू हैव बीन दैट पर्सन थ्रू आउट. यू वर जस्ट पुटिंग अ बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड बिकॉज उस टाइम पे यू वर फीलिंग कि हाँ एवरीथिंग इज नाइस एंड ग्लूमी. या
Chandni, your take on love bombing है?
नहीं भाई मैं तो हूँ लव बॉम्बर. अब मुझे नहीं पता आपको लव बॉम्बिंग लेनी है तो आपके ऊपर है. बट मैं सिर्फ डॉक्टर्स को लव बॉम्ब करती हूँ. बेचारे इतने ज़्यादा स्वीट होते हैं. जेनिस अभी तुमने हिंज बनाया
बट
ना.
आप पूरी लाइफ करोगे लव बॉम्ब
हाँ आई डोंट माइंड.
फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ.
आई डोंट माइंड एट ऑल. जैसे मेरी कल परसों ही डेट होने वाली थी. परसों होने वाली थी फिर वो कैंसिल हो गई क्योंकि उसकी सर्जरी आ गई. तो मैंने कहा चल ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. कल होने वाली थी अगेन उसकी सर्जरी. वो हाफ में निकलने ही नहा के आ गया. तो मैं निकल रहा हूँ उसको कॉल आ गया कि नहीं यार हॉस्पिटल आओ. तो अब मैंने उसको बोला मैंने कहा यू नो व्हाट आई विल कम. यू डोंट कम ऑल द वे टू. तुम्हें आने की जरूरत नहीं है. आई विल कम एंड आई विल जेन्युइनली गो टू हिज हॉस्पिटल विजिट हिम. And that is the first time I'm meeting him. So I don't mind doing that. That's like very, I feel like that's not love bombing. That's very bare minimum. मतलब मेरे को कोई काम से like तुमको कोई काम से आना है. मैंने कहा काम से नहीं तुमसे मिलने आना है यार. तुम नहीं निकल पाओगे. It's okay. I'll come.
Yeah, I don't think there's anything abnormal about what you're saying. I think, but the thing is,
not love bombing also.
at all. Chandni, तुम love bomber नहीं हो. अपने आप को love bomber बोलना बंद करो.
आई थिंक लव बॉम्बर का डेफिनेशन ये है कि आप बहुत गंदे इंटेंशंस के साथ करते हो एंड यू डोंट डू इट विद अ बैड इंटेंशन.
अच्छे इंटेंशन के साथ में करती हूँ यार. मैं जाऊंगी उसके हॉस्पिटल मिलने. उसको ट्यूसडे को उसकी ड्यूटी खत्म
आप
होएगी.
जैसे ही उसने पूछा आप 6 महीने बाद 1 साल बाद 2 साल बाद भी ये कर पाओगे ना.
हाँ.
अगर वो कर पाओगे तो वो लव बॉम्बिंग नहीं है.
हाँ, तो
लव
फिर
बॉम्बर
मैं
का
love
यही
bomber
डेफिनेशन
नहीं हूँ फिर
है
मैं.
कि दे आर एक्टिंग आउट ऑफ द ऑर्डिनरी जस्ट टू गेट यू.
नहीं जस्ट टू गेट यू में नहीं.
Incapable of anything.
This is
wrong.
just
Yeah,
me.
you're not
This is
pretending to
just
be
Yeah,
someone,
then
yeah.
just like then just take it. Yeah, मतलब जो
This is just me. I will get flowers. I'll pay the bill. You can't pay the bill. No, you can't.
love it. Reversing gender roles here. Next one, casual dating पे आपका क्या take है?
ना.
हाँ.
Casual dating is like you are not right now in the headspace or in the anticipation of something long term with commitment. That should be
मतलब
casual
there's no
dating.
कमिटमेंट ना, मतलब अगर ये कैजुअल डेटिंग दो जन इंसान कर रहा है तो वो जाके दूसरे को भी डेट कर सकता है, वही चीज ना.
No, that is not
But
casual.
I'm not extremely committed to that
Yes.
person. कि शादी वाला नहीं सोचा
Testing the
basically.
waters basically.
Yeah. For me, it's fine because कि the two people should be on the same page. They should have the same mindset. It's like you're not supposed to give false hope and keep another one hanging in that casual dating thingy. अगर दोनों को ही वो चाहिए, it's fine. I mean, rather than getting into a relationship and figuring out कि भाई this will not work out. It's okay if you're both on the same page. Figure out in the casual dating phase कि भाई नहीं हो पा रहा है, family involved नहीं हुई, friends involved नहीं हुए, you go on your own page. It's like कम drama है उसमें.
In fact, this is the best thing to do.
Yeah.
What we do is, आज कोई मिला, I like him, he likes me, I am like committed, lifetime, he
दोस्तों
is
को
my
बता दिया, मम्मी को बता
soulmate. So it is like if you take it casually initially, and figure it out eventually. पहले ही दिन से if you are thinking commitment, you will get serious too easily. You will be having conflicts. You will be heartbroken in a while if it doesn't work out.
It's like how Dr. Jahangir from Dear Zindagi said, आप कुर्सी देख रहे हो, different कुर्सी देख रहे हो before buying that one कुर्सी. So that's dating.
Yeah.
Situationship.
This I think if someone could define it.
Okay, as per Gen Z slang or as per slang, it is when two people are together and do everything that's in a relationship but just won't commit to each other. Am I
ये तो
correct?
Not labeling
You're in
it
a weird
officially.
situation basically.
You basically, and there's no label. That person is not your boyfriend, girlfriend, but you're only with that person.
But I feel like when you are in a situationship, it's a way of telling the world that you don't love yourself. Like, why would you want to give your whole self to a person and not even get the benefits of being in a relationship?
Yeah,
So you're
I
just
agree.
basically telling the other person, okay, you can use me, you can walk all over me, and I won't mind it.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a
Very
big
nice.
no for me.
Yeah.
Basically like gamophobia, na? Fear of commitment.
Yeah.
Oh, what is it called?
Gamophobia.
Like
GAMO and phobia. Yeah, fear of long-term commitment.
is gamophobia.
And I feel like that depends from person to person because I've seen so many people, we are in our early 20s and I feel like so many people say ki no, this is not the right time to commit or whatever. But I don't think so. It has nothing to do with age or gender or whatsoever. When a person wants to be with you, they will be with you.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't think that applies as well.
But if like say एक इंसान को चाहिए relationship दूसरे को नहीं चाहिए, so but अगर दोनों को ही नहीं चाहिए, तो फिर वो situationship तो नहीं हुई ना. Then it
अगर
becomes.
दोनों को if both अगर
But
Nia
they're
भी
still together.
that
तो
is a
मस्ती
they problem.
करो.
वही.
That is a they problem. They are okay with it. Then बाकी दुनिया को क्या कहना है? But I'm saying if one person wants a relationship and the other person doesn't, it's a big no for me. Yes or no? You've not decided. You're like, well, we सोच रहा
No, I
हूँ.
think it's a no only for me
No,
because
no.
it's like fucking with your mental health.
Then I have experience from an ex-hinge date was this guy said, okay, I really like you, but I can't be with you because of my religion. And I was like, what? He's like, no, I
Bhai,
want to
this
focus
happens
on
with me
religion.
all the time.
I think we've
And I
spoken
hate
about
it.
it.
Yeah, I hate it. I mean, I've realized that if a person cannot look at me from a human being's eye as a human being first, I do
Yeah.
not want that person as a friend also in my life.
हटाओ. आगे बढ़ो. Next.
Yeah,
Please
true,
don't even
true.
have such people. You're right as your friend.
Swear.
Anyone who makes religion a reason. Or
Anything,
like
religion, caste, color,
class, anything.
everything,
Yeah,
yeah.
please fuck off. Like I don't even want you in my circle of friends. Forget anything. Ghosting. Have you guys ghosted people, or is there a nice way to like get out of that without
नहीं
ghosting
यार
someone?
बोलो ना, इतना तो
Yeah,
रखो गट्स बोलने का कि नहीं यार नहीं जम रहा है, सॉरी नहीं हो पाएगा चांदनी, या नहीं हो पाएगा, जो भी है मतलब बोल ना.
नहीं बट होता क्या है ना कि कभी कभी आप बोल दो ना उसके बाद भी इंसान आपके पीछे किसी ना किसी वे में दे गेट ऑब्सेस्ड विथ यू and I know
Clearly,
examples
Hamza के
and I
साथ हो चुका है.
yeah I mean
what he's
you
saying is
cannot
very
find a way out from it. I mean you अगर आप probably अगर आप ghost नहीं करोगे that person is gonna like hamper with your everyday schedule and your cycle. You cannot function.
No, I don't know. I feel like there is a nice way to ghost, or there is a nice way to just like get
But
out of
ghosting
it.
is still happening physically.
No, I mean my point is that I would rather, and I was thinking about this. I would rather tell someone that listen, I don't think this is going to work, or I don't think I'm interested in you in that capacity, and I'd rather before things get more serious or before things go in a way where you're expecting things from me, I'd rather get out of it now. And अगर वो नहीं deal कर सकता है, then deal with the blocking. But I feel like if the person is maybe at your similar maturity level, वो समझ जाएगा. Why will they also waste their time? No, I mean the person is not interested in you.
बट जानिस कुछ लोगों के पास बहुत टाइम होता है ठीक है
बहुत लोग एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, दे थिंक अभी नाराज हैं, मे बी दे आर टॉकिंग टू समवन एल्स, मे बी दे आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग वेयर आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम, एंड दे वुड स्टिल बिलीव इन दैट यू वुड come back.
I feel like a lot of people make it a self-esteem issue कि अच्छा मुझे कैसे नहीं पसंद किया. Now they take it up as a challenge. Now I will make sure that this person likes me, and that's when it gets to like that
Love
stalker
bombing.
phase. Yeah, that whole love bombing phase.
But I think even love bombing के लिए there has to be basic attraction.
Yeah.
You can't love bomb someone
Yes,
who's not
of course.
interested in you.
Yeah.
Of course.
Is it okay to ghost people on dating apps? Question.
Yeah.
Yeah, very normal.
I think it's
Unmatching कर दो ना,
वो
ghost
तो
तो
है
कर
भी
दो.
नहीं आपके उसमें इनर सर्कल में.
Okay. ठीक है. Next one, breadcrumbing. ये हमको ये we had to explain to the two of them. Breadcrumbing is where you keep someone around for just enough. मतलब आप उनको सिर्फ उतना bread दो जितने में वो आते रहेंगे वापस. आप उनको पूरा meal नहीं दे रहे हो.
बहुत हुआ है मेरे साथ.
It's a very narcissistic
Is
thing
it
to do.
Is it similar to benching?
Benching
Not
is like
really.
keeping a lot
They're
of
not even
options.
benching. At least में आपको मतलब you're probably a proper option. Breadcrumbing में they're just keeping you satisfied कि I'm around.
Yeah.
बेंचिंग में बेस्ट फ्रेंड बना के रख लेना इफ समबडी लाइक्स यू. ब्रेड कम्बिंग में उन्हें थोड़े थोड़े हिंट्स देते रहना दैट यू हैव पॉसिबिलिटीज.
तो जब कहीं से अटेंशन नहीं मिल रहा तो किसी और को थोड़ा सा दे रहे हैं, फिर मिलने लगा तो वापस चले गए, फिर आके दे रहे हैं. हाँ नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल
When you
नहीं
feel
करना
like that person is going away, तब आप उसको थोड़ा और attention दे दो, just so that they stay in your life. Dating is really messed up, man.
It
These
is
days.
really messed up. It is so complicated.
complicated क्यों हो गया है?
पता नहीं. Okay, next thing I want your take on catfishing. Have you been catfished?
नहीं.
Never.
People have catfished using my photos.
हाँ, वो तो
Cute
Yeah.
only. They're like हाँ cute लड़की इसका photo use कर
Yeah,
लेते हैं.
अभी भी there is like one Bumble profile with my photo on it.
Love it. But you've never been catfished कि मतलब you've seen someone's pictures and you thought they looked a certain way and then when you met them कुछ there was
कैटफिश
no.
मतलब दूसरा पर्सन आ जाता है वैसा ना.
when
No,
they
not even
fake
that. I
their
feel like a
looks.
low-key form of that is मतलब कि you put pictures that are 10 years old. You don't look like that anymore.
ओह हाँ, वो तो हाँ हुआ है. थोड़ा
Yeah,
बहुत,
people
ज़्यादा
do
नहीं.
catfish online. Yeah.
Because even when I'm looking at certain profiles, I'm like, okay, यहाँ पर hairstyle अलग, यहाँ पर features अलग, यहाँ पर weight अलग, और I'm like, कहाँ के कब
Yeah.
ये photos हैं?
Hairline पीछे हो जाती है जब जब आप देखते हो photo.
हाँ हाँ.
And I'm like, but why can't? I mean, the point is that मतलब मिलने पर तो पता चलने वाला है ही ना.
Yeah.
Have you guys been catfished?
एक
Yeah.
बार हाँ.
No?
Not on a date, but like ऐसे creators को event में देख के that's called catfished.
Whoa, what do you mean?
Give names.
But I mean, has it not happened with you? Like creators look a certain way on their profile, and then when you meet them in real life, they're so different.
I'm trying to think. Now that you put it in my head, I'm trying to think
No,
about
that happens. But if I try to give them the benefit of doubt कि front camera में अलग दिखते हैं, real life में अलग दिखते हैं.
The thing is, I haven't really been on a lot of dates
हाँ.
because I mean, dating apps में use मैंने college के बाद किया ही नहीं. So that was back in 2016. So almost 10 years now since
it. You've
I've
not
been,
used a dating app in
no,
10
I have
years.
not. After college, I've stopped completely.
So now how do you meet people only in real life?
Yeah, I mean, it has gone back to the old school ways through mutual people or through work or through however. I mean, it's like that.
Sweet, yeah.
मेरे broadcast channel पे आ जाओ, मिल जाएगा soulmate.
Oof.
Are you meeting people?
I do
you
like
meet?
a challenge. Yeah, I do like a challenge. It's called Finding My Soulmate Day 1. And it's so strange. Like, so many people have actually found good girlfriends, like actual female friendships or internet besties. Or some people are actually in talking stages. And it's going pretty well. I mean, I hope so.
So you're starting a little dating app on your broadcast channel.
This is
That
my
is what you have
Srishti
done.
dating app. Yes. I'm a big believer of love.
अब उसको members only पे ले आओ, so
Yes.
business.
Okay, last one, gaslighting.
हाँ तो सबके साथ ही हुआ है
Being
ना.
a victim, hated it. Yeah.
All of these phrases, all of these जो अभी मतलब हम लोग फूट के लिख रहे हैं, अभी तो आया है वो what is that? Nano?
Nano.
Nano.
God, yes.
Nano
What is
क्या?
that?
Nano ship?
Nano ship,
मतलब
yeah.
आप
What is that?
if you meet someone in a supermarket, you have a small conversation. That
And you
was
feel
the-
intensely about that person for 15 minutes. I'm like उसको हम पहले मतलब random passing crush बोलते थे, like you know a passing, not even a crush.
airport crush.
Yeah, like an airport crush. You're looking at someone
Love at
checking them
first
out.
sight, yeah.
And now that's become a nano ship. Like I feel like were there any like कम term से कि हमने इतने सारे बनाना शुरू कर दिए. How so in this landscape where जब nano ship हो रहा है, love bombing हो रहा है, casual dating, कोई date करे तो date करे कैसे?
डेट कर लोगों को अपनी सबसे पहले ना whenever you want to do anything in life, list down your own priorities, leave these things out. What I want, not I want in a partner, what I want for myself. मुझे क्या चाहिए उसके हिसाब से नेक्स्ट थिंग होगी. If I want nanoship, all right. If I want situationship, or that should be up to my comfort. पहले अपनी priorities देखनी है. What I want in 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 4 years.
Yeah. But guys, I want to wrap up by asking you all this कि मतलब ये atmosphere में now that you know चलो Shrishti I'll leave out of this because I know she's found love, right? But जब इतना complicated हो गया है, how do you still hold on to that hope कि मतलब I'm going to find love? Or is it that you just have to believe in it and keep going every day?
No, I don't know. I think I have this feeling कि है कोई तो बना है आपके लिए. That's true, है ना?
Yeah. Sometimes you end up dating the person you never thought you would even look at.
Exactly. आपको पता ही नहीं चलता है कि ये कैसे हो गया, मतलब ये क्या हो गया. वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत चीज़ आपको मिल जाती है.
I think you just have to take that risk. You have to put yourself out there. You have to be vulnerable because you know I feel like हम अपने heart को इतना बचाने की कोशिश करते हैं. हमारा दिल बहुत डरा हुआ है actually, and we don't want our heart to get broken. And because of this, we miss out on so many great dates, so many great people.
Exactly.
And you just have to be like, you know what? Fuck it. Worst case, worst. I'll come out of this. I'll make content out of this in my scenario. But at least it'll be an experience. At least I'll feel something. So I would rather not deprive myself of this beautiful feeling of being in love just because I'm scared of getting my heart broken.
Yeah.
Hamza?
Very similar to Shrishti's, but I just look at it from the point of view like when we are born, we know we'll die. Whoever we will be with, we know that person will leave someday, not probably through a breakup, but through whenever the life ends, or like probably you will leave before because when your life ends. So when this is written, when this is destined, why to just hold yourself back and like you know why not to like just give in, because आपको डर उसी का है ना कि आप हार्ट ब्रेक होएगा, तो दिल तो टूटेगा प्यार में. So just give in.
I don't know, sometimes there's all these thoughts, right? Like मतलब you give in and you give in to the wrong person and you're like, oh my god, now it's जो
That
आपने
adds up in the experience, no? Some are good, some are bad.
fair. For anyone who's looking to get into relationships at this point, like what is the number one advice you give to like now, especially youngsters? Like, I mean, these guys are quite young. They're in their like early 20s. So to them, those who are getting into the dating space, what is the advice you give them?
Well, actually, firstly, you know, understand what phase you are into. If you want to get into something committed, if you're not sure, casually date, which we actually discussed. Also, you know, you said physical attraction, passion. These things are short-lived, always. Look for respect and trust.
Yeah.
I always feel this, like you need to feel that you're in love with your best friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you're
Not best friend, because now I've realized after this कि मतलब my best friends no one can replace. I'm very like my best friends are my best friends, but yeah, can that person be a friend?
that feeling of
मजे
you know,
आते हैं कि
being
नहीं
with the
उसके
best
साथ?
friend, like you're very yourself.
You should
just
be
have
like
to
a
pretend.
child, you know, around that person. And you know what? I had something to tell you. The more that you look for it, the less you'll find it. Like this is something that happened with me. The day I stopped looking for it, the next month it happened. So I'm just telling you, just stop looking
that
for
true?
it. Yeah,
I disagree.
I believe
I don't
that
think
that's
so.
ये कैसे होगा? ऐसे नहीं होता है यार.
I believe a lot in energies.
Into yourself.
Yeah.
अपने ऊपर आप work करो, you will manifest and attract something very positive.
But spiritually speaking, when you are looking for someone, you feel like कि आपकी life में कुछ कम है. There is a lack in your own energy. That's why you have the need to put yourself out there and look for love. But when you're so abundant in yourself, when you feel like I have enough love within myself, love will find me. When you match that frequency, love automatically comes in your life. I think थोड़ा ज़्यादा spiritual हो गया, but like I am a very big like energy receiver, so I believe a lot in frequencies.
I think the big lesson we've learned on this episode is that it all boils down to how much you give a shit about yourself first.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
I mean, everything else is secondary. The whole dating aspect is so complicated because I think we're trying to somewhere, जो हमारे में जो insecurity है, जो कमियां हैं, वो किसी और में ढूंढ रहे कि वो आप आके fulfill कर दो. और वो कर ही नहीं सकता है, वो हमको ही करना पड़ेगा.
Fix करना है, true.
Yeah. So we figured it out.
Yeah.
It's self-love. This is not a
Let's
dating
fix
episode.
ourselves.
This was actually an episode to figure out, oh, that dating was the premise.
Yes.
The topic is really self-love.
Yeah.
And why don't we love ourselves enough?
So nicely put.
You are the one who is going to pull yourself out of this. Nobody else.
No one else will do it.
100%.
True.
I feel like that's the only thing we learn in therapy, right? Like, if I can't love myself fully and unconditionally,
Yes.
why the fuck will anyone else fall in
Very
love with
true.
me?
Very true.
So, thank you so much, guys. I know this was
Thank
a
you for having us.
different episode.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing your space, sharing your thoughts, sharing your time. And yeah, look forward to hoping like all of you all are manifested with love in abundance.
So do you. Yeah.